Hi everyone, welcome back to iVisa's channel. I'm Dalma, your travel expert, and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about visiting Beijing, China. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our travel tips and guides. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Beijing is the capital and one of the most ancient cities of China. It has a rich history, culture, and heritage that spans over 3,000 years. It's also a modern metropolis that offers world-class attractions, entertainment, and cuisine. Whether you want to explore the Forbidden City, walk on the Great Wall, visit the Temple of Heaven, or enjoy the Peking Opera, Beijing has something for everyone. But before you pack your bags and hop on a plane, you need to make sure you have a valid visa to enter China. Depending on your nationality, you may need to apply for a visitor visa or an electronic visa. These visas allow you to stay in China for up to 30 or 60 days as a tourist or for business purposes. To apply for a visa, in this case the L visa, you need to submit the following documents: passport, Chinese visa application form, one identity picture, round-trip air tickets, and hotel orders. You'll also need an invitation letter from a relevant entity or individual in China, but in most cases it's optional. You also need to meet health and character requirements. You can apply for this visa online through the Embassy of the People's Republic of China in the United States website, or through a Chinese embassy or consulate in your country. To apply for an e-visa, you need to have a passport from one of the eligible countries. You also need to pay a service fee online. You can apply for an e-visa through the China Online Visas website. However, applying for a visa by yourself can be time-consuming, confusing, and stressful. You may encounter problems such as not knowing which visa type is suitable for your travel purpose, not having all the required documents ready, making mistakes or errors in filling out the application form, having delays or rejections due to incomplete or incorrect information, not being able to track the status of your application, not getting any support or assistance in case of issues. That's why I recommend applying for your China visa with iVisa. iVisa is a leading online platform that simplifies the visa process and makes it fast, easy, and secure. Here are some of the benefits of applying with iVisa. You can choose from different visa options depending on your nationality and travel purpose. You only need to provide basic information and documents. You can complete the application form in minutes with clear instructions and guidance. You can pay with any method of your choice. You can get your visa approved within hours or days depending on the processing time you select. You can receive your visa by email and print it out or save it on your phone. You can check the status of your application anytime online. You can get customer support by phone, email, or chat. With iVisa, you can save time, money, and hassle and focus on planning your trip to Beijing. To apply for your China visa with iVisa, all you need to do is visit iVisa.com or download the iVisa app on Google Play Store or the App Store. Select your destination country, China, and your nationality. Choose the visa type that suits your travel purpose. Fill out the application form with your personal details and travel information. Upload any required documents such as passport scan or a photo. Pay the visa fee and the service fee with any method of your choice. Receive your visa by email and print it out or save it on your phone. That's it. It's that simple and easy. So what are you waiting for? Apply for your China visa with iVisa today and get ready to explore Beijing. Now that you have your visa sorted out, let me share with you some hidden gems of Beijing that you don't want to miss. These are places that are not as crowded or touristy as the usual spots, but are equally amazing and worth visiting. This is a historic alleyway that dates back to the Yuan dynasty. It's lined with traditional courtyard houses called hutongs that have been converted into shops, cafes, bars, and galleries. You can stroll along the alleyway, enjoy the local snacks and souvenirs, and experience the old Beijing lifestyle and discover some hidden cultural gems. This is one of the most important Buddhist temples in China. It was built in 1694 as a residence for Prince Yongzheng, who later became Emperor Yongzheng. It's now a working temple that attracts pilgrims and visitors from all over the world. You can admire the stunning architecture, statues, murals, and incense burners of the temple complex. You can also see the world's largest wooden statue of Buddha carved from a single piece of sandalwood. This is a former industrial area that has been transformed into a vibrant hub of contemporary art and culture. It's home to hundreds of galleries, studios, museums, cafes, restaurants, and boutiques that showcase local and international artists and designers. You can explore the district's creative spaces, admire the graffiti and sculptures that adorn the streetscape, attend exhibitions and events, and enjoy some coffee or food. This is a scenic lake surrounded by willow trees and traditional buildings. It's part of Sichahai, which is a historic area that consists of 3 lakes: the Front Lake, the Back Lake, and the West Lake. You can take a boat ride on the lake, visit some temples and mansions along the shore, listen to live music at one of the many bars and clubs around Huhai Bar Street, or watch some local performances such as shadow puppetry or acrobatics. These are some of the hidden gems of Beijing that I recommend you check out during your trip. Of course, there are many more places to discover and enjoy in this amazing city. I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are planning to visit Beijing. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and guides. Thank you for watching, and see you next time on iVisa's channel. And remember, if you need a visa for China or any other country in the world, just visit iVisa.com or download the iVisa app and let us take care of everything for you. Safe travels.